How would you describe your patient experience? Well, after looking at all of our mystery shopping studies, we can say that for a lot of organizations, it boils down to 2 words: it depends. Many leaders are actually pretty baffled about the inconsistency. After all, they've done training, and so they can't figure out why it's not sticking. Well, the truth of the matter is, it wasn't set up to be sticky. Healthcare has turnover. On average, about 15%. And so that means that the newcomers are not getting the same information as the people who have already been trained. So here's what we did. We developed training modules for the frontline employees that helps the information to stick. We build on their skills and we help them connect to purpose so that they walk away from training really seeing how their role fits into improving the patient experience. We have a module for leaders so that in addition to seeing what their staff is being trained on, they have their own curriculum that helps them learn how to coach, mentor, model, manage, and even hire for great service behaviors. In response to customer demand, we've created a license option that's affordable and sustainable, where you will receive slides, scripts, and other tools for customizing your training. A moderator guide for training the frontline employees. You'll also have a separate moderator guide for training leaders. These will also include scenarios and practice exercises customized to inpatient, outpatient, clinical, and non-clinical settings. And with our train-the-trainer support, you'll have a Baird Group expert on site to help ensure your training success. Your investment is based on the size of your organization. We know that training can be costly, so it makes sense to do everything you can to make it stick. The License Toolkit empowers you to train not only your current staff, but new employees year after year. Our customers love the Power of One training and find that they're seeing immediate results in the behaviors of their staff, which leads to a better patient experience. We hope this short video has helped you to understand a little bit more about the Baird Group's Power of One training. And we invite you to contact us at either the email or the phone number below. Remember that the Power of One is a great way for you to teach your staff how to make every encounter count.